Welcome to Hotel Oaks Early Bird, Osaka Morinomiya, where an unforgettable experience awaits. To secure your stay at this haven of comfort and convenience, scan the QR code displayed on screen or consult the description below for booking details. Nestled in the heart of Osaka, Hotel Oaks Early Bird offers a sanctuary from the vibrant city, providing an exceptional blend of modern amenities and thoughtful touches. Each meticulously appointed room boasts complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless connectivity, along with a state-of-the-art television for your entertainment. Public areas are also equipped with Wi-Fi so that you may share your travel experiences. The hotel features a vending machine, stocked with a selection of beverages and snacks for your convenience, catering to every craving, day or night. At Hotel Oaks Early Bird, every detail is considered to enhance your stay. From the comfort of your room, designed with relaxation in mind, to the curated experience of the hotel's amenities, every moment is crafted to exceed your expectations. May your time here be defined by the serenity and thoughtfulness of our hospitality. To ensure your place in this Osaka oasis, please remember to scan our QR code.